Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me Alvin, and yeah, of course, in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, maybe in this video you may be confused with the title of this video or with the thumbnail of this video, because in this video the content is about Superlab or super topology. Okay, before we start, maybe I will explain to you what the meaning of Superlab or super topology in this video. So, the Superlab is like a practice that my trainer, my networkers, my teacher give to me, and yeah, I configure it to increase my knowledge about network. And yeah, in this video I use Cisco Packet Tracer, and you can see in here this is the super topology. There is 9 switches, one multi-layer switch that being a reserver, and after that there is 7 computer that being the client, and there's 5 VLANs from VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, go up to VLAN 100, and the last is 200. And you can see in here is that the tasks there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There's 8 tasks that my teacher gave for me that I have to do is topology. And yeah, we will see it from the middle multi-layer switch. So well, you can see here the show run. Okay, okay. So the in the verse in the MLS multi-layer switch, we will make like this. So I can see in here there is synchronization about a VLAN in this all of these switches with a VTP. So I make the VLAN. So I make this for VLAN, and after that I set up the VTP mode server, and for domain, and of course don't forget about the password. And you can see in here this is the IP routing, so all of this client can do can connect it, and if the client make an HP that start from 11. So I make this IP the HP full from VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Don't forget the VLAN 100, and of course 200. And and this is the IP exclude address. You can see in here from from 10.1 until 10.10. So the speed will be start from 11, and after that is the for the trunk system MLS will play switch. So switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. And after that switch port mode trunk. Okay, that's for don't forget this is the interface, the IP of uh VLAN in this topology. In VLAN 10, the IP is 192, 168, 10, and 1. And the subnode is the subnode of prefix /24. And for the interface VLAN 20, it will be 192, 168, 20, and 1. VLAN 30 it will be 116, 2, 168, 30, and 1. And for the VLAN 100, it will be 172, 66, 16, 10 and 1. For the last VLAN 200, the IP it will be 172, 16, 20 and 1. Okay, now we will go to another device. So our first switch. So okay, in this first switch I make it's in here for in the first 1 until 4. This switch for more strong, so the port is strong, and because in here one of these tasks is all of cable that um, have more than one destination, we have to make it additional. So in this is like this. Channel group 1 more discernible, and for the first film 6 that sorry, that you can see in here, these is this the Western at 0/6. It will be access the villain 13. Yeah, I forget something. Oh, it will be the okay, sorry. 6 and 3 profession. Okay, that's spanning 3 profession. I guess in this version. Give all switch that in the circle area is to be spanning tree profess to the client that connected to that switch. Okay, with the second switch, I didn't forget to add the spanning tree. Oh no, okay, in this second switch, I make like a normal for the fast for the interface 1, and so I insert it to channel group 1 mode auto, and for the interface 3 and 4 it will be channel group 3 channel group G. I think I will change. And for the interface 5, the switchboard access VLAN 20 and spanning tree office skeleton. And let's go to the third switch in this topology. Okay, in this third switch, I make for the first interface and the second interface, the channel group is 3, so you must the second switch and the mode is auto. Okay, and after that, for the passive connect interface 3 and 4, and the channel is 4 and the mode is auto. And and for the then the first that connect to the client, it will be interface 5 and 6 and access 12 and 10 spanning for first, of course. Okay, now go to the fourth switch. Oh. Okay. Okay, in this fourth switch, in the interface 1, I make a channel group for mode desirable, and for the third and the fourth, it will be channel 2 or auto. That's on the and yeah, all of this switches is already VLAN is already synchronized with PTP. Okay, so all of the switch is already have the VLAN 5, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, 100, and of course the 200 VLAN. Let's go to the fifth switch in this topology. And now for the first and second interface, channel group is 2 mode is durable, and for the third and fourth that connect to the first switch, the mode is auto. On that. Okay. Go to this I don't know, maybe like we can say this only a bridge. So in this switch in the sixth switch in this topology, we have to make a load channel VLAN 30, 100 and 200. So I'm making here only like that, and after that, that's all in this switch. Okay, now go to the next the seventh switch. Okay, so in the switch, cause the first interface it only have one destination, one cable, so we don't have to make this channel group. And for the interface 2 until 4 that connect to the 8 switch, I make channel group 5 more desirable. Like that, the configuration in this switch, and let's in 8. Okay, in the switch I make like this. So the interface 1 until 6, it will be channel group 1, and for the interface that connect to the client, because in this one of this does is say where is it, this in switch 8 on 9, key port security is shut down to the client. So I make this for 7 and 8, support access film 10, support mode access, support security, look at this. And if you can see, I forget what is the command. Yeah, I make for security first and shut down in that port. Yeah, like that. And of that we'll go to the last switch in this topology. And then this switch 2 I make for security. And you can see in here in the first one and the 3 mode 2 active mode, interface 4 that connect to the PC, support access film 200, security support active sticky, like that. And that all of configuration this Superlab. Sorry guys if there's some mistake, cause you can see in the under you can see this is the time when I record this video, and I'm still sleepy. Sorry guys. Okay man, that's all that I can show it to you guys about this Superlab from my teacher. I say thanks to my teacher, thanks to my parents, thanks to my friends that already support me. And yeah, that's all that I can say to you, that I'll think that I can explain to you. Thank you for watching, thank you for your attention. My name is Alfin, and don't forget to subscribe and like, okay? See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.